Today I'm going to teach you how to hold the viola up. First, we attach the shoulder rest, which always, in my case at least, makes it more comfortable holding the viola. Some violists prefer not to use a shoulder rest. Others prefer, like I do, a hard shoulder rest. And then there are sponges that some people use, or inflatable ones. For me, it makes it more comfortable, and it really depends on your own build. We always put the viola up on the left shoulder, and we put our chin on the chin rest. At first, when you're putting the viola up for the first time, put the chin on the chin rest on the left shoulder, and hold the upper bout, which is here, with your left hand. Then when you feel like it's secure, you can move your hand down to the fingerboard. Make sure that the viola is parallel to the floor. Now at first this is going to be a little bit tiresome, so don't worry, you'll want to take some rests in between while you're practicing. So that's how you hold the viola.